Hey everybody, since we're going to be working on the Mustang, we needed to get some new safety equipment. So we went down to Harbor Freight and we bought their brand new 3-ton heavy duty jacks, the Daytona jacks. Now I know there was supposedly some problem with these, or they were failing and this, that, and the other, but these are the new ones. They have taken care of them. So this is really neat. They now have a safety pin that goes through. So when you lift up on them, and now the safety pin can go through. And then you have a pin that you slide in. I have this one turned around the other way so you can lock it. These guys look really heavy duty. They have really good looking welds inside. I don't know if you can see that. Very good welds here, strengthening welds in the corners. I don't think we're going to have any problem using the newer jacks. And they're going to be on sale pretty soon. All right, everybody, just a real quick one here. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You could always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my really quick automotive videos.